Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this Geeks for Geeks problem called median of binary search tree. So in the problem statement, we are given with the root of the binary tree and we are supposed to find the median of the binary search tree. So if the number of nodes are even, we are supposed to return the n by 2 node. If it is odd, then we are supposed to return the n plus 1th node of the n plus 1 by 2 node of the binary search tree. Let me explain you using the whiteboard. So this is the binary search tree given. So we are going to use inorder traversal technique for this binary search tree. Why? Because if we have inorder traversal on binary search tree, we will get the elements in the sorted order. You can use any other traversal technique, but at last we are supposed to sort if we use any pre-order or post-order traversal. If we use in-order traversal, then we don't need to sort the binary, the obtained result after the traversal. So let's apply the in-order traversal for this tree. So in the in-order traversal, we are first supposed to visit the left and current, and then right node of the current node. So at first we will be here 20th node. After that, if there is any left node exists for this, then we are supposed to visit the left node first. So we will be at 8. If you observe, for this 8 node, we have another left node, nothing but 4. So for 4 there are no chain. So we will add the 4 to answer and then backtrack. Now we will be at 8 node. So 8 will be our current node. We can directly add it to our answer. After adding 8, we are supposed to visit the right. So if you observe for 12, we have a left subnode called 10. So we'll add the 10. As 10 doesn't have any child nodes, we can directly add 10 to the result. And then backtrack, add the current, and then go for right, add the 14 as there is no child nodes, and then backtrack, and then backtrack, and then backtrack to 20. Now we can add the 20 as entire this left subtree is completed. Now we are at 20. After completing 20, we can visit the right node, nothing but 22. So if we observe, we got the entire data in a sorted manner. If we use any other traversal technique, we won't get the order in the sorted manner. We are supposed to sort again, which have some much complexity. I mean, not much complexity. We have a little added complexity for the final solution. So let's implement our Python solution for this problem. At first, I need to declare a array called answer list. Now I will write a function for the inorder. Wait, sorry. Now I will write an inorder function which will perform the inorder traversal on the binary search tree. So our inorder function will take the root as a parameter. So here we need to use let's start. So in inorder traversal we need to visit the left subtree before visiting the current node. So in order of root dot left. So what this will do, it will recursively visit the left node until the left node exists. I mean, we will add the condition at last. Then we need to add the current data to our answer result. Answer dot append of root dot data. After appending the current data, we are supposed to visit the right subnode. Root dot right. So as this is a recursion problem, we need to have a base condition. For this binary search tree, base condition is nothing but if there is any root node exists while traversing, then only we are supposed to traverse. Otherwise, we won't. So we need to take a condition as if root exists like this. So at last I need to have a function call by sending the root as a parameter. So if you observe, answer is declared outside of the function, but we are using it inside of the inorder function to append the data. So here Python will throw an error saying answer is not defined something. For that we need to mention to that function like answer doesn't belongs to current function, it belongs to outer function. For that we have a uh, keyword called non-local answer. We can declare the answer like this, which says the Python function that answer doesn't belongs to current function. So after having this function call, we have all the elements of the binary search tree in this answer list in a sorted manner. Now we need to apply these two conditions to get the required output. So at first, let me take the len of the answer, I mean len of the list, and store it to variable called len. So if the number of variables, if number of elements inside the binary tree is odd, our first condition, num mod to not equal to 0, n mod to not equal to 0, then what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to return v of n plus 1 by 2. So in Python indexing starts from 0, so we need to sorry, return answer of n double slash 2. As indexing starts from 0, we can return n double slash 2 instead of n plus 1 double slash 2. And similarly, in the else condition, I mean if the number of elements are even, then we are supposed to return v of n by 2, nothing but we will return answer of n minus 1. Let me compile and run this code. We got a syntax error here. Sorry, here we need to use single equal to, not double equals to. Let's run again. So it's passing sample test case. Let me submit this solution and check. So as you can see, it is passing all the test cases. If you have any better approach for this problem, please post in the comment section, and thanks for watching.